what was happening? What was happening? Do y'all see that? What was happening? What was happening? Okay, and one more purple. Hey guys, it's me Triple G and Merry Christmas! I hope you guys are having a great holiday. I hope you guys are safe and, surrounding yourself with the people that love you most. Today I am coming at you guys with a quick video for the holidays. We are continuing the series of, I think I named it Struggle No More. Yeah, Struggle No More. Like me strengthening my eyeliner, because your girl be struggling with eyeliner, and we're building that weakness to become stronger. So today I thought for the holidays we'd continue the festivities in Tizzing the Season. I'm looking at the picture right now, so if you see me glimpsing down, that's what I'm looking at. And of course I'll have it on the screen in one of the corners. As you can see, it's holiday lights. It doesn't look too hard, but we went from like not too much going on with the first eyeliner look we did to we're getting more detailed. So I already have the eyeshadow and everything on, similar to what she does. So let's get right into the eyeliner and waste no time. Alright, we're gonna go and jump right into the black. We got our Sava Beauty eyeliners. 2 palettes today, because we got our festive colors too. So let's hop right in. And I have a change of water this time. So no mixing colors, because it's a lot of different colors today. Alright, let's get right into it. First, we're going to, of course, put the simple across the lid. Alright, now we have the black across our lid, and now for I don't know if this is going to be the hardest part, but at least the semi-hard part. We got to get these loops and valleys together and looking cool, like Christmas lights. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we go. Let's put a little more right here. Alright. Hair, cooperate, get out the way. Why didn't I put hair clips or the little headband on, bro? Anyways. So she goes up. It doesn't have to be perfectly like hers, but I know I want that little loop in the right spot. So let's y'all can see. Good, y'all can see. Over here asking like y'all can hear me. Ooh, y'all. I don't know. It's looking thick. It's giving thick. Okay, first loop. That's the only loop, unless I want to put another one. I don't know if we're gonna get that festive, but Alright, up, down, up. What am I doing? Why did I just do that? Why did I just do that? Do y'all see that? Why is it looking like a circle? Not a circle, but like what? All right. Oh Lord. Okay. I know why that happened. The angle I put it, it made it get thicker than what it should have. Lord. Okay, well now we gotta make the other eye look thick too. Watch the other eye come out looking closer to the picture. Watch. The loops ain't even the same size. All right, we ain't gonna linger no more. Onto the onto the lights. Okay. All right. So we're gonna start off with a yellow light, and work our way up. Or maybe I might just put everywhere where I want a yellow light, and do it like each color at a time instead of like light. You know what I'm trying to say. All right. So, with the right shape. Ooh. Hold on. It's a process. It's a process. So hold on. So far already, that's the best shaped one. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Until I did that, but it had to be the same size as the other ones. Alright, let's dip into some pink now. This is my first time actually using the pink one, so exciting. Let's see if pink will do us more justice than the yellow did. Alright, where do we want pink? Let's put pink. Let's put pink right here. Okay, pink looking good. Pink looking good. That shape I just did wasn't good though. Oh. Okay. Alright, and let's put a pink right here. That's an extra thick light. Why did I make it that thick just now? Oh, let's put one more right here. I'm gonna put more black because of that just now. Now we are getting into some orange. It's a really pretty orange, really bright and vibrant. We like that. Let's see where we're gonna put it. Where are we gonna put it? Especially because I made that pink so thick. I might only put 2 orange because I want to fit another color. I honestly wanted to fit 2 more colors. Why was I not going back and forth? Now I'm gonna have to do this whole. Ooh, maybe I could do a different set of colors on this eye. Maybe I could do cool tone colors on this side. We're gonna do that. All right. All right. It's coming together. It's coming together. Now the other eye. All right. First on this. Why did I come on so like that? Oh, we're gonna dip into blue. Blue. All right. Where do I want to put our first light on this eye? Let's see. We're gonna put blue here. Make sure y'all guys can see. Ooh. pretty blue. That is a really pretty blue. I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, put another blue light right here. And now it's time for purple. Okay, we're gonna put purple, let's put one right here. Once again, very pretty purple. These colors, very nice. Let's put one right here. Oh gosh. What was happening? What was happening? Do y'all see that? What was happening? What was happening? Okay, and one more purple. It should not have been this much of a struggle, y'all. I mean, I guess I'll put a purple right here. Alright, now last but not least, green. And honestly, this is a really pretty green. I'm usually not a green person, but it's a nice green. It's high key. Well, not high key. I was gonna say it's kind of matching my shirt, but not slight. In its dry form, it kind of was like matching my shirt. But anyway, we're gonna let's put a green right here. Very pretty green. I love this palette. And now let's put a green. I wish there was more room right here. We're gonna fit it anyway. The green right there. They extra shoved in that corner, but it's fine. It's fine. Alright. Now, actually, I'm gonna go fix the black, and then we'll be back to put the little white to make it look like, you know, the light is on and, you know, shining. We'll see how that's gonna go. Alright. Let's put the little bits of white. Dang, voice gone. Y'all, I don't know about this. Honestly, I probably should just like leave it how it is right now. But, and also, why did I put so many different colors? She didn't even, whatever. I don't know if her eyelid bigger, like longer or something, but it was not working like that for me. Oh Lord. Okay. All right, it's comprehending. I don't even know the word I was trying to say, bro. But it's working. Ooh, it's working. Okay. That ended up being too big, but it's fine, it's fine. What's cute? It's cute. We love to see it. We really love to see it. This is exciting for me. All right. We have our whites. It's looking cool. It's looking cool, but in her picture, she went a little extra and she put a little like black little like line in the middle of the white, I guess, to make it look more like it's a part of the string. I don't know if we're gonna do that. I could see that going wrong, and the little black line is gonna be too thick and we're gonna be having problems. We're gonna have problems. So I think we're gonna leave it with how it is. And yeah. I'm gonna go on and put my face makeup on and, you know, show you guys like the fully final product. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys, and this is our final look. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? I like it. I think it's really cute. I think it's really festive. I mean, it's not looking as, what's the word I'm looking for? Not smooth, but it's not as, you know, it's not as clean as the picture. But especially for my first time, knowing how much I be struggling with like little precise lines like that, I think I did pretty well. I think it looks cute and presentable still. Like I could like go out and somebody wouldn't look at me like, ooh, what's going on your face? Like it looks like what it's supposed to be, you know? And I really like it. I think it's really cute. I'm gonna start doing this every year during the holidays along with my Santa hat. If you haven't seen that video, I put a little cute little Santa hat on like the corner of my eyebrow. The link will be right here. Please check it out. It's another quick, easy tutorial video. And I mean, it's Christmas, so if you like got a party or like got like a little get together going on, like later this evening, you could do that. But safely though, safely, especially with like groups of people and crowds. A lot going on right now, so please be safe out here. But yeah, let me give y'all a closer look. Let me tilt this light so it can like, yeah, there we go. Why I smile like that? Okay. Cool side, warm side. Oh, and I also did go back and I tried to go back and put the little black lines like I was saying in the last clip. I tried it. I mean, for what it is, it's fine. You know. But but yeah, I hope you guys have a great Christmas, a great New Year, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Trying to think, is there anything else I need to say? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Merry Christmas and bye!